What you got, Eliah? Woo! I'm trying to learn how to play with it. Whoa. You gotta use the other lever. There you go. Okay, Mattia. Your turn.
Okay.
Hey, man. Woo! Calm down, Mattia. Calm down. No, she doesn't. That's not why she's upset. She's upset because Elias grabbed it down here. Stop. Just calm down. I think we all need Christmas spankings. Time for Christmas spankings.
No.
It's the time every year when the kids get so crabby with all their toys that they gotta fight with each other, and then they get Christmas spankings. Want some? Okay, well, don't fight. Put your car down. Put it down on the floor. That one makes it turn, but you gotta have them both going at the same time. Well, he's got so many cars this year, he doesn't know where to start. Okay.